Hello guys, welcome to Ego IFX, and if you're new here, remember to like and to subscribe to our channel. So I want to show you a very simple strategy on GBPAUD. It's a trade that I took yesterday, right, and how it went. So I was on the 4 hours time frame. Guys, remember to like and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Help us to grow and help us to reach out to more people with this free knowledge that we are sharing out. Okay, so I was on GBPAUD, right? So I drew my zone up here because I saw rejection here. Then here there was some sort of like breakout, back and then back again. You can see here also another one here and another one here. There's several there, so that's why I drew that zone over there. All right, then so initially the market was somewhere around here, so came back, then came to retest, and then it was coming down. So I went on a 1 hour time frame, but before that I saw these are very strong bearish engulfing, but I did not want to enter immediately just in case the market could easily go back again to come and test this area here, because this area has been an area that was rejected several times. So what did I do? So I went to the 1 hour time frame, right? So the 1 hour time frame, I saw something very interesting. I saw this movement here, so I drew my trend line here, and for me now to enter my short position, I was waiting for a break and a retest for me to enter. So there was a break, then there was a retest, then I saw this bullish movement down, so I entered somewhere around here, right? So I put my stop loss just above this one here, put it just above there. I could have actually drawn, you can see here, you can see this is actually a zone here, this some sort of like a zone like that, right? So I could have drawn that, so put my stop loss just above that, right? Then I targeted 3 times my risk. Okay, then what happened? The market came down, then there was a very strong pullback. You can see here there was a very strong pull, but there was a strong movement downwards, and it came all the way to hit my 3 times reward. And you can see this is a trade. So took it on 5th of July, right? So my lot size was what, 1.84. So this means in this account I'm risking $500 to make 3 times or 2 times or something of the sort. Yeah, and you can see that this was my stop loss, this was my take profit, 82,900, and 82,900 came all the way to hit, and it closed with 1167.15. It's a very simple strategy. Okay, so the moment, because for example like somewhere like here, the moment you see the market, because on resistance, when I'm at my resistance level, I'm looking for sell. Then when I'm at my support, I'm looking for buy. So if for example it was a place like this, I could have just come here and draw my trend line, okay, like that, then wait for a break and a retest, then enter. And you can see here there's a very strong, you see this pin bar, yeah, the reverse, so break, some sort of retest. So this one you could have entered somewhere around here. When it closes, enter there, maybe put your stop loss just above this, just somewhere above there. Don't put it too far because it's going to be a very big stop loss, so just put it somewhere around there. Then you target let's say 3 times, okay, and you can see that even that still it will have hit your take profit very nicely. So it's a very simple strategy. The moment you are either at support or resistance, and then you see a movement, you just draw a trend line, you wait for a break. Maybe you're on the 4 hour time frame, you go to the 1 hour time frame, you wait for a break in the retest, then you enter, you put your stop loss, and then you target either 2 times or 3 times. And you can see this one came all the way to hit my my full 3 times. So, and then you can see that this zone here, Let me go back to the 4-hour time frame. You can see that this trend line here, you can see here rejection up, came down again. You can see several touches here. There was a touch here, there was another touch here, then there was another touch here, then it has come to touch here again. So already I can see buying opportunities. Okay, so this is a free signal I'm giving to you, so I can see buying opportunities, and you can see it's like, you know, it was giving some sort of like a fake out, but we don't know. I'm still, I'll not enter immediately. I'll still wait. So this, I'll go back to my 1-hour time frame. Then you can see that there is a very strong bullish movement. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to wait for it to break. If it has broken, retest. Then I'll look for either some pin bar or some sort of confirmation here. Then I'll enter my buy, then put my stop loss there around here. Then maybe I'm going to target 3 times, maybe somewhere around this place here or this place there above. Okay, yeah guys, so remember to like and subscribe. That's a very simple strategy that you can learn. You know, always have some confirmation, some break and retest before you can enter, and then target 2 or 3 times. Then you can see, like for example here, if you get this opportunity here, you can see that you can catch almost 150 pips, right? Yeah, so you can check out that one. And then so this one has already hit our TP. You can remove it. So we're waiting for this break, retest, then we enter, then we target here, then we'll see. All right, so another opportunity that I saw was on GBPCAD, right? So I'm on a daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I saw GBP behaving like this. So I drew my highest here and here, and then I drew this trend line. Then I was very much interested in what was happening here, right? It was some sort of consolidation, and you can see that it was a big move because, you know, you can see almost 250 pips movement. Okay, so I went to the 4-hour time frame, and then on the 4-hour time frame, I noticed something here. I noticed this movement. So every time the market will touch here, bounce back, touch here, we can just draw that. So it was a bouncing here, then touch, came to bounce, then bounce again, then it came here. So this market was somewhere around here. So I knew that it was here. So I was waiting for it to break and retest. Then I can be able to enter and maybe target this point of reversal here. Okay, because it was a strong point that the market kept reversing every time it hit there. And even if you draw the trend line, for those who have their trend line, you can see that, yeah, you can see that there was this touches here, comes back, touch, come back. You know, there was that kind of movie, touch, come back. So I was expecting the market to come all the way. So from the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I went on the daily. Okay, what happened is that I was waiting for it to break and retest for me to enter. So it did break and retest, and you can see that after retest I entered when this bullish candle closed. I entered there, then I put my stop loss down here. So now where you put your stop loss doesn't really matter, as long as you practice strict risk management. It doesn't matter if my stop loss is big or small, as long as the reward is still the same, or the risk is still the same. It really doesn't matter. So I put my stop loss just below here, right? Then I targeted 3 times, and you can see that it went all the way and then came to hit my full 3 times risk before it started coming back again. So it hit a full take profit. And as you can see, this is GBPCAD, so my lot size was that. Then my take profit was 72123, and it was at 965.40. So I was risking around $300 to make 3 times my risk. And you can see what really happened. You can see it hit that 3 times my risk. So these are just simple strategies. Break and retest, then you enter, then you target 2 times or 3 times, and you'll see that either your 2 times or the 3 times is going to be hit. Possibly it's not always like that, but most times then that is how it's going to behave. So guys, remember to like and subscribe. Remember, you can join our VIP group to enjoy some of these moves. Remember also we have a free Telegram group. The link is on the description below. So yeah guys, remember to share also, so that many people can get this knowledge and it can benefit them. Right? So thank you so much. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.